Kiara, tell us about that Gura story. There's not much to say. It's as Ame told it. We were testing out stuff, and then Gura was naked. It was so. I can just say it was cursed. That's all I will say. Yep. And unfortunately, I did not take any screenshots, and I regret it so much. I regret it so much. I didn't take any screenshots of videos. I told her she should take some evidence because we're never gonna see that again, probably. But I don't think she took any evidence. No, not that. I know. I told Gura she should take some evidence for, you know, the future, to look back on it. But I don't think she did. Maybe Abe has evidence? Abe got some. Really? I don't want to see it again, though. At least not in the moment, but when I saw that, I was like, actually, I wrote something. The only evidence I have from that day is that's what I had to say. I was looking for that when that happened. I was looking for the Discord, and the keyword I was going for was naked, as you see, because it's marked yellow. That was my keyword because I don't know what else I should be looking for. And I looked up that moment, but all I really found was, I think we were in voice chat, which is why there is not much text left. So this is the only evidence I can show you of the incident.